Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
Gosh, the floor's coming down already.
Oh,
Goodness.
Wow. This is great, this flooring, isn't it?
Now, I have to tell you about this because I have this in my own house, this very same floor. It's by a company called Quager, and they're floor tiles, and they are the most fabulous thing ever. Because what's great about them, it looks fantastic, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks
really
great.
Cool, really unusual. But what's brilliant about them, especially in a kid's house, is that if you spill something on one, you just whip it up and you replace it. You always buy an extra box.
Fabulous.
So you can replace them. But doesn't it look brilliant? But look at this.
Oh, this is great. The Celtic wall, yeah.
They're doing, apparently they always do a little kind of masculine scrum.
Do they?
Like that.
Well, I think that is a very nice picture.
It's good, isn't it?
Actually, I wouldn't mind that in my bedroom, all the men's bottoms. I think it's lovely.
We've got a bottoms theme running through. I know. It's nice. Good, well done. Nice footballer's legs there on the set. This is cool. This is from a company called biggerpics.com. And literally, I found the picture in a picture library. You email it to them and they send you back wallpaper. It's about £45 a square metre, but how much will they love that?
They will love it.
So the floor's a bit like grass as well. So it just goes out like ordinary wallpaper. Right. Everywhere else is white, and then we've got the fantastic flexible
look at these
coming
walls
in.
getting painted now. This is great news, isn't
Hooray!
it?
What a difference already.
So, Catherine, what's this?
This is the coolest thing I've come across in a while. Oh, I say.
Sorry.
It's from International. It's a grouting pen, because these tiles here were absolutely fine. And what we're doing is just, it was a bit dirty, the old grout. Rather than re-grouting, you just get one of these.
I see.
And have a go. You just paint it on,
It
paint it on, and it just look at the difference though. It makes such a difference.
It really does. It
How cool is that?
it up. So are these easy to get hold of, do we know?
Yeah. You just get them in DIY stores.
Yeah?
Yeah, no, they're quite a common thing. It's good though, isn't it?
Let's see what it's called. Oh, International Grout Pen.
It's good for the soul as well to do this. I'm feeling quite calm.
Therapeutic. You can carry on now.
Thank you.
I don't think painting in the garden's been quite so therapeutic for Stacey. So she's found herself another job inside.
Hello there. I just found a quiet 5 minutes and thought I'd go at this.
Did Stacey abandon it?
Stacey has abandoned it, but she's busy painting the wall in her bedroom.
That's good. As long as someone's doing it, then that's a
well,
good
where
thing.
you thought your grouting pen was therapeutic, I found my therapeutic moment.
Let's do this. Is quite
away
funny,
from all the chaos. Now, you used to be a set designer, didn't you? Didn't you used to do paintings for theatres and stage?
I did. And then I used to do it in people's houses as well. I used to paint murals and do trompe-l'oeil, or tricking the eye. Yes, I did. So I used to do things like that.
Do what?
Trompe-l'oeil. It's called tricking the eye. You know when you see a window, and you think it's a window, but then when you look again, you realise it's painted. Have you ever seen that in kind of posh hotels?
I've seen that. Yeah.
I used to do that.
What's the time on the stopwatch
Oh,
there?
crikey. 23, 28, 29, 30, so 6.5 minutes.
To go. Oh, that's all right. I can do another couple of minutes here.
Yeah.
Do you want to do a little scoot round?
Should we just swap jobs for the
Well,
day?
you take the whistle and the stopwatch.
Okay, everybody. Right, Claire, you've got 6 minutes to go. Right,
Oh,
okay.
right.
That's not a very good impression of Claire Sweeney, is it? But I'm
Okay,
off.
you do a little scoot round and I'll finish off here.
Swap job. So I'm in charge now. So you've got, what have we got? I can't even count. Like, how does she do that? You've got 4.5 minutes. I'm not going to do her accents, but she's out painting in the garden and she just went, go and do a quick scoot round, make sure everybody's all right. So you're all right? I'm quite enjoying being Claire. It's quite good, isn't it? I'm Claire Sweeney. I am actually Claire Sweeney now because she's in the garden painting with swap jobs. So is everybody all right? You've got, about 4 minutes left on this. It looks great in here, apart from that blue bit over there. But apart from that, 8, right, I'm off again in Claire Sweeney fashion. Hello everybody, I have swapped jobs with Claire Sweeney, so I'm in charge now, but I have to just give her a little warning, she's out in the garden painting. Oi, Sweeney!
Right.
Quite enjoying this bossing Claire around, it's quite exciting. Oh, I feel a bit naughty. I was doing really bad impressions of her downstairs as well, but I'm going to stop that now. All doing well in here, fantastic, floors down, looking gorgeous, brilliant, brilliant, brilliant.
I've got to say, guys, you're doing great work, but you are behind in here. We really need to get a move on in the second half, okay? Yeah. Okay, that's 1 minute now. 1 minute to tea break.
Do you know, upstairs, girls, there's a whole wall, and it's all footballers' bottoms and legs. Yes.
One of the perks of the job. Okay, so, Catherine. We've got 20 seconds now. 20 seconds, everyone. It's looking very different, isn't it?
Looks great, doesn't it?
I'm not sure on the orange. I've got to see it all dressed and
Look at the
finished.
lovely glow it's giving you. It's gorgeous. Look at
Okay, well, we've got 5 seconds left.
that. I do talk a lot of rubbish.
4, 3, 2, 1.
So, after 30 minutes, in the living room, the walls are done, but there's lino to go down. In the kitchen, they need to finish painting the walls and fit the new appliances. In the main bedroom, there's still a wallpaper and the windows to dress. And the boys' room's ready for 3 new beds. Just time for Catherine to rally her troops.
So has everybody had a nice break and a cup of tea? Yeah. Good. Now, how are we getting on? Living room, fine? Where are we? Living room. Good. Everybody happy there? Fishmen? Check out the fishmen, everybody. They're coming in after that, so watch them. And then bedroom upstairs with the footballers' legs. Good. Yeah, fantastic. So we've got all the furniture. We've got the guys coming in to do that. Oh, my goodness. Kitchen is going fine as well. I'm really pleased with that. And the mum's bedroom?
Yeah, all the painting's done.
Good. Now, I want you to have fun this afternoon. I want you to get in touch with your inner child. So on that level, if they're being inner children, I think I'd better be the teacher. So I want to be called Ms. Raywood all afternoon. Has everybody been to the toilet and had a little drink? Because I don't want you going off in the middle of it.
No, miss.
And wasting time. Thank you. Somebody's got the right idea. So with that in mind, can I have a big hearty yes, Ms. Raywood?
Yes, Miss Raywood.
Fantastic. And can you all hold hands crocodile fashion as you go back in? Thank you.
Okay, team, that's tea break over.